Hello, I am Nas and I love athletic.
Hello, my name is Kerman and today is my birthday.
Hi, I am Mikel and my favorite sports are football and ski.
Hello, I'm Isara and I have 11 years old.
Hello, I'm Joanna and play basketball.
And here there are your two questions. What typical food are in California?
You don't see a famous person in the street?
Hi, I'm Naya and I love painting.
Hello, I'm Unai and I love playing soccer and my number is number 2.
Hello, I'm Inge and I love magic and dancing.
Hello, I am Miraya and I live in Munguia.
Hello, my name is Ainhoa and I like collecting cromos.
And here there are two questions for you. What things do you like from your school? Do many people of class travel outside US?
Hi, my name is Lucas and my favorite sport are horse riding.
Hello, my name is Eneko and I like athletic and Eva.
Hello, my name is Sander and I love surfing.
Hello, my name is Rune and I like make bracelets.
Hello, my name is Anne and I like basketball.
Here there are the two questions. What is the second populated language of California?
In San Diego have very contaminated.
Hello, my name is Irati and I am 11 years old.
Hello, I'm Marit and I like football and water polo.
Hi, I am Ainara and I love going to Puerto Rico because my mom is of Puerto Rico.
Hi, I'm Gochor and I like to do painting. Here are the two questions. What language do you study in school?
Is there any typical dance in California?
Hi, my name is Lander and I love skating.
Hello, my name is Eneko and in water polo's number is 2.
Hi, I am Simone and I like, I live in Bilbao.
Hi, I'm Malen and I like to speak with my friends.
And here two questions. Are a lot of sharks in California?
What is the most famous sport in California?
Hi, I'm Irati and I love skiing.
Hi, I'm Mayalen and I like go with my mother to the shops.
Hello, I'm Anton and I love nature.
Hello, I'm Joseba and also it's my birthday.
And here are the two questions. Can you describe the California's landscape? What do you learn in Chula Vista schools?
Soon is carnival and these are the hats we are making. In Plástica in the art class we are knitting and look to Naya's hat.
And this is a poster to stop violence against the women and some pictures.